Stop by and take a look at the 2004 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.